my mother had to go to various places to do some sewing, because she was a seamstress. And it was sometimes not just around the corner or a next door neighbor. Sometimes had to be to the next village that I went with her and helped her carry a bucket of soup to bring home so we have something to eat. If you don't mind, I'd like to tell you about an episode about that soup.
Yeah.
It was winter time, and it was a hill. So from that village we had to go down to the valley and up again. Unfortunately, when my mother started going down to the valley, she slipped. And the bucket of soup, she was holding on to it, chas v'cholila, not to lose it. And she landed at the bottom of it with a bucket of soup with her. That I remember vividly, as it would have happened yesterday.